Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot Microsoft Excel formatting. So I'm inside of Excel and I've got these two columns of names, a first name and a last name. You'll notice that the last name is spaced off of the side of the cell a little bit, but if we select them, there's nothing in the spacing that shows that. However, there is something up here showing accounting, so something's happened where the names have been set up for accounting format. So what I'm going to do is just select the names, and instead of accounting, I'm going to click General, and there you go. And it snaps it back together correctly. Now this is kind of where you'd want to be on the Home tab to troubleshoot any formatting errors. So if it's a wrong color or something, you can easily change that with the back color and the fore color. You can change the borders using this tool, and make sure that the spacing is correct here. The biggest problem though that I see happening is where it's been formatted as an accounting or number and it's not supposed to be, or it is supposed to be and it isn't. And the easiest way to fix that is to come up to the number area and make sure that the decimal places and the general formatting have been set correctly. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to troubleshoot Excel formatting. I'm Josiah Ray.